Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to outline text in Pixlr. So without further ado, let's start! So first, what you're going to do is to add a text. And then after that, click the text that you'd like to outline. You can see the Add New Text icon at the left side of your screen. After that, the text window will be open. Next, scroll down and click the button that says Outline. After tapping the Outline button, you'll see that the text has outline. You can also change the color of the outline from here. Click on this side to adjust the outline and make it appear more bigger. That's it! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe